Have you ever felt sidelined in research that impacts your community? Community-based participatory research, or CBPR, changes that narrative. It empowers communities by making them equal partners in the research process. CBPR transforms traditional research into a co-learning journey. Rather than researchers simply extracting data, communities share ownership of the study. This collaboration leads to research questions that matter to local people. The first key principle of CBPR is shared ownership. All partners have a say in research processes. This ensures that local voices drive the agenda, enhancing relevance and applicability. Next is reciprocal capacity building. It highlights mutual learning between researchers and communities. Researchers offer skills and resources. Communities share valuable context and knowledge. This two-way street builds stronger community capabilities. The third principle focuses on locally defined priorities. Research should arise from the community's expressed needs, not external agendas. This participatory process includes voices often marginalized, ensuring inclusivity. The final tenet is the integration of knowledge and action. CBPR aims for social change. It uses research findings to inform interventions and advocacy that address community challenges. Now, let's explore CBPR's specific relevance in Southern Africa. The concept aligns beautifully with Ubuntu philosophy. This belief system values interconnectedness and community responsibility, matching CBPR's core values. In Southern Africa, CBPR demonstrates immense potential. Case studies show that it fosters local leadership and action-oriented knowledge. It enhances the acceptance of interventions within communities. Yet, challenges exist. Negotiating timelines with academic funding can be tricky. Partners may have differing expectations. There might be power imbalances within communities too. To overcome these challenges, strong partnerships are crucial. Establish transparent budgeting and capacity-strengthening strategies. Create conflict resolution mechanisms for effective collaboration. In summary, CBPR is about more than research. It's a commitment to ethics and inclusivity. By elevating community voices, it transforms knowledge into actionable strategies. Ready to dive deeper into CBPR? Like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, we can champion community empowerment through research.